Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am so excited. I'm here with Colton. Colton is now 1 year after his second procedure, and we've documented his progress and his journey, I believe several times on our website, but he's here now, 1 year, final result from his second surgery. And when you see the pictures, it is a huge difference in terms of how he looks, how he feels. But don't take it from me, Colton, tell me about your journey from beginning to end, getting to this point, and then tell me, of course, what you think and others think about your results.
Yeah, well, we started this early 30s, felt like I was 50. I was, for all intents and purposes, completely bald. And after a while, still being young, it takes a hit on your confidence. So I was referred to Dr. Huebner through a family member who had great success with the procedure. So I came through a couple years back, started the first procedure, and really just showed me, the potential, what was capable of having hair again. So I did that and got a hairline and came back again, did another procedure and just filled in a couple of the blanks, a couple of the spots that just needed a little bit more coating. And here I am, and completely night and day. I can gel my hair, and it feels like I've got a hairline back in my 20s or high school again. It's great.
That's awesome, man. And we were just saying, genetically, you got dealt the bald gene, and
Yeah,
you have to live with
yeah,
it. You don't want it, man. And you did it, certainly. And we had a big area to work on. First one, we kind of got a single coat of paint on there. Second one, we really kind of tightened up the hairline a little bit more and focused on the back. So again, not perfect hair, not hair as thick as mine, but enough to make a real difference in your life, man. And I tell people, you go from being a bald guy to maybe a guy that's just starting to thin a little bit. And certainly, man, you look your age and are younger even. So, I mean, it's awesome. And I'm sure that comes out in your personality and your confidence and your work life and in your personal life. It affects. It's just one less thing you got to worry about, in terms of that. So
yeah. Well, I'll tell you, my biggest fan. I don't know if my biggest fan throughout this has been my grandma, because she saw it and just was absolutely amazed with the type of technology and how you can just change truly your physical appearance. So she lets me know often how much younger I look, and that, something like that is pretty cool to hear. But yeah, just the process itself has done wonders, both from a personal perspective and, professional life.
awesome. Let's model your hair a little bit. So obviously you can see
Okay.
from the front. Yep, you hold it right there. Actually, I'm going to just kind of put a before and after together. And then let's have you turn to the left or right and just hold it there. There we go. Perfect. And let's see the other side, same way. That's awesome, man. Dude, congratulations, man. I'm so happy for you. It couldn't happen to a nicer guy. And
No, I
thank you
appreciate
for
that.
showing your journey too. I mean, I'm sure this is going to help somebody in their decision process. And
I hope so. Yeah.
yeah, thank you so much. And enjoy your hair. If you ever want to take a third plunge, we're here for you. I don't
All right.
you probably want to kind of think about it for a while, but
Yeah.
even if you never had anything else done, man, this is a home run. And enjoy your hair; it'll be there the rest of your life. So enjoy
Yeah.
it.
Well, I appreciate everything. As does my wife. Thank you.
Happy wife, happy life.
Happy
Awesome.
wife, happy life.
Well, enjoy your new hair.
All right. Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.